Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show where I watch police chases. It's JTSpeeds here, back with another one. Today we got ASP in pursuit. ASP, yes, in pursuit of a 350Z. As you can see on the screen, it said the officer is trying to catch up with the 350Z, going over 100.
Went over the curve. There was a little fast and furious car, like it's gray. He's blacked out on me, 1037.
So he's got the lights out, so the cop can't even see him. This was at the end of last month. It's a very recent chase. Shout out to Police Pursuits for the video. Original video will be in the description.
Coming up on Nissan.
Bro, this Charger is having to work. I thought these 350Zs were slow.
Still blacked out.
Where is it at?
We're still blacked out. We're about 100 miles an hour.
So the cop's going 100 on this, like, this main street.
He's still blacked out. I can hear him, but I just can't see him.
Yeah, I can't even hear it.
And this as well.
Probably hit different being in a Charger. But I cannot hear nor see him. Let me know if I got this correct, but it's 11:30 p.m. during this chase. Now, yeah, it just turned 11:30. Them stopping just.
He's crashed here at Thompson.
Okay, he smacked out.
He crashed out Sunstone Thompson. Sent ambulance, females on the ground.
What the?
10-16 male on the ground.
Dog, they about to come and like batter you, gang.
I don't know.
That's not a 350Z. Sorry for the audio, guys. It's clicking and shit.
We can't find. I see it. I see it. I see it.
Yeah, you gotta get back in the car. Those are just innocent bystanders who got hit. Where's the Nissan 350Z?
The other vehicle's here at the schoolhouse.
A yellow car.
The old schoolhouse.
Wow. Just look at it. Now get ready to get arrested, buddy. I don't condone this type of stuff, guys. This buffoonery.
What's your problem? You the driver? Then come over here for me. Put your hands on the car for me.
Yeah, bro, you're getting a felony. Is that blood on his face?
I got one in custody. They're sent an ambulance to get them checked out. Bloody. Car total here at Hawk City. Hawk City Customs here on Elm Springs.
Bro, when ASP troopers got you, it's bad.
What's that?
This is the first black trooper I've seen.
You're scared? What are you scared about?
Shout out to ASP, man. They got black troopers. Usually I don't see troopers that look like, you know what I mean. And he's treating the guy with some respect. He's not throwing him around like a scumbag, you know.
That's the least of your problem.
He knows this guy's in deep shit, and it's just gonna be what it is.
You have a driver's license? No, sir. Come on back here for me.
He treated the guy with some dignity.
They're tending to the victims that got T-boned by this vehicle.
Jesus.
Can I go in front with you so I can talk
This
with you?
audio is driving me nuts.
Springdale, another unit just arrived with me.
I might have to drop another chase this day that I dropped this chase. If you guys don't know, on the show where I watch police
How
chases,
old are you?
I clap it up for the cops and we eat a donut. I don't have a donut per se right now, but I will clap it up for the cops for catching a bad guy.
Oh, man, yeah.
So yeah, stick around for that.
Motorcycles go by, they go by.
We're gonna see what else happens
They
here.
exit off. I hit my lights. I can see them hit and they went no hit the lights, and there's been no lights.
Because according to my subscribers, they want to see me watch the full video. So I'm not gonna cut it off after the chase is done. Let's see this all the way through, you know. This was a dangerous high-speed pursuit of a Nissan 350Z, and it ended up with him crashing into multiple vehicles.
Boy George Charles, 02
And I do have a police report
Boy
here.
George Charles, 02 J. John.
He got booked for felony fleeing, 3 counts of battery, reckless driving, no driver's license, and driving without lights to avoid detection.
He doesn't have an ID.
I don't know.
This is his car.
Yeah. Call the L23, you want me to get a record started?
Yeah, go ahead and get a record. We got a very big scene here.
Wow.
You might want to notify,
So
L5.
when he was reading him his rights, he stated that he fled because he didn't have a driver's license, and the judge had advised him to get his driver's license by November 25th, 2025, and he would dismiss previous charges.
I know you're busy. You need 21 when you can. 10-4, I'm give you 21 right now.
So this guy had already had no license, got infractions before,
I don't
and
know, man. You better
still,
hope
you know what
God
I mean, was messing up and was scared of the cops. And that's what happens. You know what I mean? Let's clap it up for ASP. That's crazy that y'all got to see that type of stuff, but I hope they got to those people who got their car hit. You know what I mean? That might have, their baby could have been in there, the couple. So you do not want to like run from the police. Like, I don't know how many times I'm gonna say it on these videos, but shout out to ASP and their trooper. You know what I mean? He wasn't overdoing it, over whooping, none of that, acting all badass. Like, bro, this is a look around. Like, this is sad. Like, just get this guy. He's gonna get the felonies. You know what I mean? It's not a question about it. Just put him in the car. I really like how this officer went about himself in this situation. And he had a little fun. He got to push the Charger to 100. You know what I mean? Why can't you be so mad, you know? Just have a little fun. Take yourself seriously. But yeah, I don't condone running from the police. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that. Don't think me reacting to these chases is egging it on. But, you know, if the guy get away, he get away. Hey, you know. But anyways, if you guys mess with what I was saying in the video, you know what I mean. It's also my birthday. Shout out to me. I just turned 21. Today, August 12th. Shout out to me, man. Y'all gotta hit the sub button for that. Your boy is 21. I'm getting old, y'all. So I need to get out of my mom's basement and get a job. You know what I mean? But hey, yeah. Smash the like button. Yeah. I don't know what else to say to y'all. I appreciate y'all. I got like 510 subscribers at the recording of this video. I want to see it go up. You know what I mean? Let's run it up. I'm going to drop some more content. I'm going to get some more in real life content. Get up from the desk. I live in Michigan, so I can go to Woodward, etc. I got a project car, the Audi. Y'all know what it is. You'll see it on the end screen. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace. In a dirty fight, just like this, and not a little bitch just like this.